Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Zach the Ripper Calmer, and this, I just said Calmer. Hello, my name is Zach the Ripper Calmer. Motherfucker. Few years as social media, fucking piece of shit. So, how about we get into it? Spider-Man 2099. That sucked. Welcome everybody. Oh, you fucking along with a guy that I honestly think has a big upside to him. And I forget his fucking name. Yorny? I'm Zach the Ripper. Fucking, you're an ass. You're an ass. The PlayStation 5. Now, most people were able to get... Nope, no they weren't. They weren't able to. Nothing will be running off of external storage, and you'll be able to fuck yourself in the ass. Now, it did end in disruption. Nope. Fuck. I don't even know who won. Buddy Zach the Ripper Comics here with some Zach the... fuck you. On the KO show, Kevin K... Huge week for key books this week. Huge books for key book... Huge... Huge books for Cubert. DC's Black Label. It's black. From DC's Black Label, White Knight presents... Nope. From DC's Black Label, Black... Jesus Christ. The next book is from Image Content. The next book is from... I do also believe... Fuck it. Fuck it. Mama say. RKO. This I found a little oh, it's so hot. It's so hot.
You know what, Yanni? It's been great. It's been great hanging with you. You know, look, it's been a rough day. Whoa, where are you going? Funny.
I'm ready.
Okay, let me compose myself here. Oh, now, there's hide and go seek over here. Yano, come on, buddy.
Let's pound some polar. Gentlemen, real quick, we're going to take a pause to pound some polar. That's good stuff. How about we do a little ASMR? Hi, this is Zach the Ripper does ASMR. Hi, this is Zach the Ripper does ASMR. And today, this is Zach the Ripper does ASMR. I hope you enjoy this. Pound some polar. Let's fucking pound some polar. That's good stuff. Now we know. Always pounding polar. Hopefully I don't come and get you.
Hopefully I don't come and get you.
Don't you want somebody to love? You better find somebody to love. Polar. You gotta pound it. You gotta pound it. All set. Yarny! Damn it! You don't do that to my Polar. I know how good it is. I know how great it tastes. I know how it gets your tongue and your lips soaking wet. But you can't put that in my can of Polar. It's not what I meant when I said you gotta pound it.
Good stuff.
I don't even remember. Oh man, oh man, oh man. I don't remember who he beat. Who did he beat? Who did he beat? I don't even remember who AJ Styles beat. That's how much I didn't care about this. And it was hello, baby.
Look at the time.
Lastly, they announced that the WWE champion last night they announced the final quantum.
Hello.
Alex, I look at the along out, and then that made in the main segment. What's that? Oh, no, it's not what you thought it was. I wasn't pounding that. What it actually was the new Zack the Ripper Comics cell phone case. I'm showing off the new iPhone one. You can also get them in Samsung, all the different varieties of both Apple and Samsung products. At the Teespring store, the official Zack the Ripper Comics merchandise page, link in the description below. What'd you think of tonight's season premiere of SmackDown? I kind of like this guy, honestly. If there's thank you.
You don't mind if I wear my mask, do you?
Oh yeah, yeah, that's fine. I'll put mine on.
Yeah.
Here we go. All right. Are you okay? You sound like you're having breathing problems just wearing a simple
eat this
mask.
delicious apple. So if you
you're
don't
starting
mind,
to sweat. You're starting to
I'll
sweat.
leave you on these parting words. This fruit's calling my name.
Of course. No surprise there, guys. Kevin Owens doesn't have much time as he wants to go eat. He needs to go eat. Go ahead, bud. Go eat. If you're interested in a cool mask like this, feel free to hit me up on my Teespring store. The link is in the description below where you can grab this mask and a ton of other Zack the Ripper Comics merchandise. Oh my god. It's so hard. Come on. Come on. Oh my. Oh. These things pack a punch. And as a professional wrestler, I can honestly tell you how strong these are and how hard they are to get open because of all that cool, crisp, refreshing, all that seltzer, baby. To what we do not, hello, and potentially injuring the brine. Ribbit. Now one has to, hush. Now of course, if it, fantasy mayor, shut up. Polar. Some more ASMR from Zach the Ripper Comics. How's that sound? Can you taste it? Do you want to taste that? How's it taste? What do you think of Zach the Ripper Comics?
Zach sucks. Hey everybody, it's us from Kinda Funny. We want to say Zach sucks. Thanks for bringing other people in, but Zach sucks, KFAF sucks, and Nick sucks too. Fire Nick. Fire them all. But we love you, Zach. Thank you for caring.
Alright. Biggie, can't you see? I don't know. Whatever his name is. Just relax. Just relax. This is ASM Ripper. And today, how's that sound? Does that sound good? Does that sound good to you? Do you know what's coming? That's really good stuff. Whoop. Bam. Boom. Nailed it. Nailed it. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Have you ever been caught with that local, gross, ugly, slippery, big hold seltzer? You ever been caught? Or trying to go uppity and big time and getting one of those real expensive ones, Las Vegas or LaCroix? Don't do that. This is 2020, and we all know what we're drinking in 2020, and that's going to be Polar. We're rocking some lemon right now, as you can see. And anytime we're doing a Zach the Ripper Comics video, we're doing a Zach the Ripper Comics live stream, you can always bet on the fact that when I pound with Polar. On top of being thankful for all of you, I'm thankful for Polar. And as my buddy at ENN, Chris Wilde, says, this show's powered by Polar, so let's pound it. That's good stuff. Split symbiote, spit out, split symbiote, spit out, split symbiote, spit out, sip. Pick Zach the Robber. Zach the Robber. Watch out.
Oh, how can you not like Fantastic Four, Zach? How do you not like that? That.
Here comes nullified, here comes nullified, right down so fun. Here comes nullified, here comes nullified, right down so fun. Here comes nullified, here comes nullified, right down so fun. Of the MCU in the next couple phases. Anything Null, I'd recommend getting your hands on it now.
That's good stuff.
You know what really slathers the icing on my cake after a rough day? Polar. That's good stuff.
Hello, Zach the Ripper, this man with the missing teeth that were lost June 28th, 1998, the day that I walked into Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, a mere man, and walked away. A legend is the hardcore legend, Mick Foley, WWE Hall of Famer Mick Foley, and from one wrestler to another, Zach the Ripper. I want to congratulate you on your 1,500 subscriber on your YouTube channel. That's awesome, man. Keep up the great work, and many, many more. And to any of you watching this who are not yet subscribing, what's wrong with you? Have a nice day.